A simple moisturizer or lotion is made with water and oil and sometimes butters, so it's more light and airy. A homemade moisturizer tends to have a much shorter shelf life unless a preservative is used due to the water content and bacterial growth. Water-based moisturizers also need an emulsifier to properly blend the oil and water together. Body butters, on the other hand, are made exclusively with butters and oils, so they have a much thicker consistency. Homemade body butter has a much longer shelf life, even without a preservative, lasting up to 6 months. Both body butter and moisturizer are used for the same purpose, to moisturize the skin. However, body butter delivers more moisture since it's not diluted with water. If you want to create a softer, fluffier body butter and avoid your homemade body butter becoming too hard, it's important not to over whip it. About 30 seconds with a hand mixer is plenty when whipping this body butter recipe. The outside temperature will also affect the firmness and texture of the butter, as well as the ingredients used. Cocoa butter will create a denser body butter, while shea butter and mango butter create a softer butter. The best combo is coconut oil and shea butter, as this duo usually produces the fluffiest butter. To make this homemade body butter, start by adding half a cup of shea butter, 1 cup of coconut oil, and a 1/4 cup of either cocoa butter or mango butter to a double boiler by placing a heat-proof glass pitcher in a pot of boiling water. Melt the ingredients slowly, stirring throughout to prevent the shea butter from becoming grainy. Once the mixture has only just liquefied, remove the pot from heat and allow the mixture to cool slightly before adding in around 40 drops of lavender essential oil and around 3 drops of vitamin E oil. Then stir through to combine. Place the bowl in the refrigerator until the mixture has become solid. Once firm, remove the bowl from the fridge and allow the cream to rest until the mixture has almost reached room temperature to make it easier to whip. Using a hand mixer, whip the ingredients together until it reaches a consistency you desire. It's important not to overwhip the butter, about 30 seconds with a hand mixer is plenty. Store the whipped body butter in a glass jar with an airtight lid at room temperature. If the temperature reaches above 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit, the butter may soften and possibly separate a little with the oils pooling at the top of the cream. If this is the case, it will need to be kept in the fridge. The body butter may keep for around 6 months when stored away from moisture and light. To use this body butter, apply a small amount of the butter to the fingertips, then massage the butter onto the skin. As you rub, the butter will melt into the skin. Only a small amount is needed at a time. The best time to use this body butter is after showering when the skin is damp. This butter may also be used as a moisturizer for the face. However, avoid using coconut oil or olive oil in your body butter formula if you plan to use it on your face, and instead opt for oils like sweet almond oil, apricot oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, or rosehip oil. I hope you enjoyed this body butter recipe tutorial. Please let me know if you do choose to try and make it yourself and how it goes for you. I'd love to know. I wish you a wonderful day or night wherever you are in the world. I'm sending you all my love, and I'll see you soon again.